In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove domain on Lovable AI website. So what you need to do, just go to your Lovable AI site and log into your account. And once you've logged into your account here, so once you're on your site here, so to remove a domain, so what you can simply do is click on these on your your link here, the website link here, which is on your top right there. Click on the website link there. So from here, select the settings option. So click on settings, and then once you click on settings here, on your left side panel here, there is a domains option. So click on the domains tab here. So here you will see under, if this is your connected domain, so by default, but if you want to remove a domain, you will see that here, add existing domain. So you will see that your domain option here that you have connected to. Since I'm not connected to anything, so I don't see that, but all you have to do is just click on that domain, and on your right side of the domain there will be a remove button. So all you have to do is simply click on that domain, click on that remove button, and then you just need to confirm your selection by again confirming to remove it, and that will remove the domain for you. So once you have purchased it, you will be able to see that option, okay, once you've connected it. Okay, and that's basically how you remove it. It's a very straightforward process.